All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to talk about the 17 Pro Max. Yeah, this phone is actually really good. So I've had this phone since I did a 3 o'clock pickup yesterday on the 15th, and today is the 16th. So I've been using this for over 24 hours. So it's every phone that I've been buying lately, I've been buying the Rinky case here. So you've already seen this if you follow me on social media. I bought this case, popped it on right away, and been using it because I like the way this phone kind of hides this bar area. And then I wanted to try a different kind of screen protector. So I bought this tempered glass right here. It was an easy slide on design. It's really nice. But yeah, I'm making this video now is because I'm on my second day of usage. And again, I got this phone at 3 o'clock yesterday, and I instantly started using it. So here's yesterday's usage. I ended yesterday at from like I went to bed. I got into bed probably at like it was a late night yesterday, so I might have gotten to bed at like 9:30 or something like that. But during that time, I 3.5 hours of screen on time, and I ended yesterday with 73% and 3.5 hours of screen on time. And then you go fast forward to today. It hasn't been on the charge or anything. Obviously, you can see I used it twice as much almost as yesterday, and I got 4 hours and 11 minutes, and now it is 8:16 the next day, and you can see the usage there. So this phone is going to be a battery champ. I can already tell. And I got 14% left on here. I'm about to put it on the charger, but I want to shoot this video before I put it on the charger, just to tell you guys, hey, I hear you. This phone is definitely going to be a beast on the battery. And I just want to say this is the best combination right here. So I'll leave a link to all of this in the description if you decide to pick this up. This tempered glass, I'll leave it in the description, and also leave this case in the description too, because I have all the phones set up this way. The 17, the Air, and the Pro 17 Pro, I set them all up the same. I just think this is a beautiful combination. But I gotta say, overall, the performance on here, I've been doing a little bit more heavier game, not heavy gaming, but just a ton more gaming. And it's draining the batteries. It drained it a little faster today than it did yesterday. Because I used it yesterday for only about 6.5 hours or so, I think, total time of having it, I should say. And 3.5 hours of that, it was set up and a little bit of gaming and everything before I went to bed or whatever. But today, I stayed on it and I just use it regularly, make phone calls, text messages. Everything is good on this phone, man. The reason I went with I went and picked this up is because it's not as boxy as I thought it was going to be. And it doesn't feel as big as I thought it was going to be. It's like, it feels just as good, if not better, than the Pixel 10 Pro XL that I'm recording with. It feels really good in the hand. And it's because of this unibody design, and it's just a one piece. And so therefore you got all these soft edges all the way around. It just feels good, man. So that was really one of the main things. I was like, man, I gotta go pick this up. After buying the 17 Pro, I really loved how it felt, and I was like, I gotta go do the same thing for the Pro Max. I talked all that trash, and I said I wasn't gonna get it, and I end up liking it, getting it. So I can really respect what Apple's got going on here. This phone is going to be a battery beast. Obviously, the cameras are the same as the 17 Pro, the smaller variant, and then you get that one lens here, and then you get two lenses on the 17. It's just this is going to be a very nice phone to keep for some years. For those people that don't upgrade, you should do extraordinarily well with this setup right here. You should do great. I think this is going to be a great addition to an upgrade to a person who is looking to buy a new iPhone Max version. Now, one phone I always say it, I will never get rid of this phone. I just don't have it in me to sell it. It is my 13 Pro. Now, if you look at it here, let me just take it out of this case here, and I'll take it out of this case. And this was really one of the main driving factors for me getting this phone. It's such a round. It feels really good. It's a little taller than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, a little bit more narrow, but this unibody design makes it feel so much better in the hand. Because it's smooth on every corner and curve. It is really, really nice. It's really nice. If only it had a SIM card, man, it would be a total win. But yeah, to me, I said this was the last great iPhone for a reason, because it checks everything off that I wanted back then, and even current day. There's people that use that iPhone still. But I just got to say, I wanted to do a quick video and introduction here. This is my first 36 hours down, roughly, or whatever it is. This is the way I would rock this because I'm rocking all the iPhones like this. I don't have to have a MagSafe case. This case gets a pass from MagSafe. If I want to use MagSafe, I'll just take it out of the case. I've got some new accessories coming too. But I just had this tempered glass in this case overnighted to me from Amazon. So other than that, folks, I just want to tell you the phone is here. The battery life is going to be crazy. I know it is. And then the cameras, they're more real estate. This is a good phone. And I know I'll like it based on the size, because this is a 6.5 and this is 6.9. And it just doesn't feel, this is a lot lighter, thinner, but the out of these cases, this is such a rounded, smooth body. It just feels really, really good. I gotta say. So, anyways, your man Jay, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is here, and I hope you enjoyed this content. Real quick, just a brief introduction, like I said, letting you know, if you follow me on social media, you already know that I had the phone now for a while, for the last 36 hours or so. So that's neither here nor there. I'm going to make sure I get content on this for you. I'm going to use these to record everything. So right now, this video is being recorded with the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, one of my favorite Pixels to date. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Whoever has this phone right now, you were right. It's fire. Battery, that is. And the size isn't as bulky as I thought it was going to be. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.